So this is the Lego Disney Tron Legacy. Lego Disney Tron Legacy is just an amazing set for you to actually buy. It comes with very nice Lego minifigures included. This is the back of the box. It looks really collectible as well. First thing, you need to open it up. You can actually open it without using a knife, but I like to open it this way. So now, I do like the box. I don't like to destroy a box like this because I could use it to put other items in it as well. It's a very nice box, by the way. This is soon to be a collector's item. I do like the way it opens up. It is an unusual way to open a box with Legos. Inside, we have just a normal box. Nothing special. I thought there would be something inside, but there wasn't. You have a big booklet. In the booklet, it says about the design itself, introduction. This looks like a collector's item, by the way, because it has a lot of graphics in here. Before and before. Lots of graphics. And then we go into actually making all of the actual set itself with two different instruction booklets. Lots of different steps for us to create. And eventually the back, including some news about new products. Also the countdown of all the different pieces in case something is missing. That's how it's going to look like once you're done. Set number 1 is kind of small. Set number 2 is very big actually. And the most fun out of this is to go and get all those pieces out. I love it. There's more of them too. You get a generous amount of pieces as well. Now, lots of cool minifigures here. Looks like they put them all into the small box. With the weapons, of course. After looking at it, this looks like it's going to be an awesome set. Now let's put this together. And it's hard to tell who is who here, kind of. So this guy, this is actually the girl. Yeah. Supposed to be putting this right on it. The face goes right here. And now putting this right on. Oh, the pants are a little bit different. A lot of attention to details in here. In the back she gets the blue weapon. Now it's time to make the guy. Or the Tron figure, whatever you call it. And he also gets, the black one actually. And I like how cool this actually looks like. In person this looks so much better than I anticipated to actually look like. Now we put the helmet on. Actually, it's a one-piece helmet, and I put the wrong one in. And on the back, put this piece here that is the spinel. And now we have the last one. One thing I don't like is his hands are actually just normal hands. I wish that was a little different, but you can easily replace it in case you don't like it. And the last minifigure. Put a face to him. Actually, he's smiling. Putting the head. That's his helmet that goes right on him. And actually I think, whoops, wrong way. Only goes one way. Here we go. And he also gets this. So there we have it. All three Tron's minifigures. That's how they look like. In case you wanted a closer inspection of how they look. And you get two ninja swords for them. You get a hell piece that you can just go take this out and put this right on in case you want to do it like this. I do like the way this looks like, and you can see right there all kinds of very interesting details to them. There's a lot of details to the actual body all over the place, and even in the hands you can see right there, well, it is flesh colored, so that kind of looks very cool. This guy is all dark and black, very nice looking as well. Now it's time for us to put the bikes together and put the whole set together, but I really didn't buy it for the bikes. I bought this just for those three minifigures. That was so awesome looking that you have to just buy this. So once you're done building, you get those beautiful bikes that attach right to the plate. So this is the plate that you're getting. It looks exactly like this, and you have to build this plate. It looks very nice. The color scheme is very beautiful, and it has fluorescent looking elements to it. Now it has two different locations where you can go and put the bikes right on this. Unfortunately, there's a few things I don't like about this, including the color code of orange should have been mixed with the color code of blue for the base plate. This is really nitpicking this set. The set itself is very gorgeous, very beautiful colors, and they shine right in. Lots of fluorescent and beautiful elements included. I like the way how it is very old school. All the pieces are very complicated and yet are simple as well. So those are very simple Lego minifigure and other different types of pieces in here that have been combined together to create those beautiful looking bikes. Some of those pieces are one of a kind, so you can't get them in any other set. Then you go and you put your minifigure right here, and he leans right on this, and he can go and grab those two handles and he can ride the bike just like that. The interesting thing about the bikes themselves is once you put them up, it doesn't really slide this much. So you have to have some kind of a interesting surface for it to move. It's more built for display purposes. I don't know what this is for, but it's kind of interesting looking as well. A lot of very interesting parts have been made in those actual pieces. So you're getting some pieces that I haven't seen before used with Legos. So let's go and show you what I mean. So you get this piece right here, which is, I haven't actually seen this before. You also get 4 of those pieces just like that. Also very interesting pieces. This one I seen before. This looks like the brick from the gold sets, but it is all in black. I do really like this piece. So those are the pieces, some of them, that are unique and unusual just to this set, including this one right here. There's a bunch of those pieces in this set as well. And there is this piece right there, which is all in black. And I'll show you what I mean. This specific one that goes all the way on the top of this one in black. It's also an unusual piece that just comes in this specific set. Also, you get those things right here. If you take it out, this piece, just this piece right here, you get a lot of those. And you get them in orange, and you also get them in blue. So there's 4 of those in orange, and there's 4 of those in blue, and they only are exclusive to just this Lego Tron set. Can't get them anywhere else. There might be other exclusive pieces also included here as well that I haven't mentioned, but those are pretty much it. So this is great for display, and for play purposes it's not this good because those bikes don't have enough for them to actually move by themselves. You see, it moves, but this prevents it from moving, this piece right here. Now what you can do, you can just easily take it off. But this is pretty much what you get with the Lego Tron set.